Using Shopify with an American Express card is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your online store's payments efficiently. First, you need to create a Shopify account and set up your store. Once your store is set up, navigate to the Payment Settings section and click on Add a Payment Method. Select American Express as your payment provider and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to provide your name and billing address. After entering your card details, click on Save to add the payment method to your Shopify account. To test the payment method, go to your store's checkout page and select American Express as the payment method. Enter your card details and complete the payment process. If the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. It is essential to note that American Express may have specific requirements or restrictions for using their cards on Shopify, such as requiring a minimum purchase amount or having specific security protocols in place. Be sure to review American Express's terms and conditions before using your card on Shopify. Additionally, ensure that your Shopify store is set up to handle American Express transactions, including having the correct payment gateway and following any necessary security protocols. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use your American Express card with Shopify and manage your online stores payments with ease. Shopify also provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your payments, including payment tracking and reporting. You can use these tools to monitor your store's payment activity and identify any potential issues. Overall, using Shopify with an American Express card is a convenient and secure way to manage your online store's payments. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start accepting American Express payments on your Shopify store and provide your customers with a seamless checkout experience.